Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're an Amazon Flex driver looking to streamline your earnings in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know about getting your very own Amazon Flex debit card. This handy card lets you access your pay instantly, avoid bank fees, and even earn rewards on purchases. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you're already signed up as an Amazon Flex driver. If you're not, head over to the Amazon Flex app and complete the registration process. It's quick and easy. You'll need to provide your personal details, pass a background check, and get approved. Once you're active, open the app and navigate to the Earnings or Payments section. There, you'll find an option to apply for the Amazon Flex debit card. Click on it and follow the prompts to enter your information. Next, you'll have to verify your identity. This usually involves uploading a photo of your ID, like your driver's license, and possibly linking a bank account for direct deposits. Don't worry, it's all secure and takes just a few minutes. After verification, Amazon will review your application. This might take 1 to 3 business days. Once approved, your card will be mailed to you, typically arriving within 7 to 10 days. Now, for some pro tips. Keep an eye on your email for any updates or requirements from Amazon. Also, once you receive your card, activate it right away through the app to start using it. The best part? You can use it for everyday spending and even get cash back on certain purchases. Remember, always protect your card details to avoid any fraud. In 2025, Amazon has made this process even smoother with updated app features, so take advantage of that. If you run into any issues, reach out to Amazon support directly, they're super helpful. Alright, that's it for today's guide. By following these steps, you'll have your Amazon Flex debit card in no time, making your delivery gigs even more rewarding. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on gig economy hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.